Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve another problem which came in this year, that is in 2021 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is the distance between the parallel lines 2x plus 5y equals 7 and 2x plus 5y equal 15 is dash rounded off to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we have the two equations of two parallel lines. Okay, so one line is like this, suppose another line is this, and we need to find the distance between these two lines, that is the distance between these two lines, that is D, suppose. Okay, so we need to find the D. Okay, so the two equations are 2x plus 5y equal 7 and 2x plus 5y equal 15. Now, if you just if you see this question, you will understand that if you have watched all the PYQs in my channel, then you'll come to know that this question is again a repeat this year. I mean, the kind is repeated, this type is repeated, because a similar question has come before previously in previous paper. Okay, so this was a very easy question for those who have who have watched the video previously. So we have two straight lines, and see, observe here that for x and y, the coefficient of x and y in both the straight lines are same, that is for for x is 2 and for y is 5. Okay, and this is why they are parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. The only difference is here, the 7 and 15. Okay, this is why they are parallel lines. Now for them, suppose they are in this form, that is ax plus by plus c1 equals 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equals 0. If the equations are in this form, then the formula for to find the distance between them is D equal mod of C1 minus C2, that is the difference between C1 and C2, divided by root over A square plus B square, that is the coefficient of x and y. I should write it in a proper manner. Okay, so here you can see that root over a square plus b square is always positive. Only negative can be c1 minus c2. So we can write this as c1 mod of c1 minus c2 divided by root over a square plus b square. Actually, mod of c1 minus c2 is the difference between c1 and c2. Okay, difference between this c1 and c2, that is difference between this 7 and 15. Okay, that is, we can write here this mod of 15 minus 7 or 7 minus 15, whatever we write, we will take only the positive quantity. Okay, positive number, not the negative one. If we write it as 7 minus 15 and you do as minus 8, it will not be the case because we have a mod here. Okay, So be aware of that. So it will give us 7 minus 15, that is 8. Okay, mod of that is 8, or 15 minus 7, that is 8. Okay, divided by root over a square plus b square. Now a is 2 and b is 5. Okay, so 2 square plus 5 square, that is equal, we can write it as 8 divided by root over 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 29. Okay, so it gives us 8 divided by 5 square is 25, and if we add it with 4 it gives us 29. Okay, so root over 29. Okay, so now we can't have the root over 29 by ourselves. We need the calculator here, so let's calculate it. So root over let's directly calculate the 8 divided by root over 29. Okay, and this gives us this is equal to 1.4856, that is we can write it as 5 or 6. Okay, 5, 6. Okay, so we need to round it off to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places. So here it is 4, and after that it is 8. Okay, and after that it is 5, 6, or 556 it was. So we can write it as 1.49. Okay, 1.49. If you write it as 1.48 also, it will not be a negative mark, because it will not be a wrong answer, because the answer generally varies. If you see the answer key, then it generally varies in a range. Okay, it's generally given in a range. So if you write 1.48 or 1.49, it's okay. Okay, but not beyond that. Alright, so here the correct answer is 1.49, which is rounded off to 2 decimal places. Okay, I hope you could understand this solution. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!